What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to be replacing the stock shifter with a new custom shift knob from White Madness Garage. Alright guys, so I've been waiting about a month for this shift knob. I am excited for it. My biggest complaint with the stock shifter was that it is just too low. So when you see here, when you're banging gears, especially when you go down into fourth, you have to kind of hold it like this because the armrest is above the shifter, as you can see. So it really aggravates me. So I wanted a shift knob that was going to be a little bit taller to hopefully alleviate this issue and make it a little more ergonomical when you're shifting and a little more comfortable. So I had found this new shift knob by White Madness Garage. I could not find anything online, so I don't know if I'm the first person to get it, but I think I'm the first person to at least post about it online. So if I'm the guinea pig, that's fine with me. So it comes packaged really nice. And here we have the unboxing. So they call it the Grip. It's a big black anodized shift knob. I believe it's about 4 inches tall compared to the little stubby factory one, and it also weighs, I believe, over half of a pound, so it's substantially heavier than the factory knob too, so it's going to give you a little bit better engagement when you're going into the gears. So this is the shift knob here, and then it comes with this little billet adapter. So we're going to go over how to remove the factory shift knob. We're going to get this one installed, and we're going to see how it looks. So first step, you're just going to use a plastic pry tool. We're going to pop up this faceplate here on the shift knob, which is going to expose a Phillips head screw. We're going to remove that and slide the shift knob right off. All right, guys, so there you have it. It's as simple as that. You're just going to pop off that faceplate on the stock knob. You're going to remove that one screw, which is a 3mm Allen key. You're going to pop off the knob. Then you're going to put their new adapter right on there. Use your factory screw, tighten it down, thread on the new knob, and you're done. It's a 5-minute install, and I think it looks pretty good. It's definitely unique. Gives you a much better shift feel where you're not hitting the armrest, which is a huge pain. So I thought that was the biggest downfall. So I did want to actually go with the B&M shifter for a while for this reason, because it was so much taller, but it's about $350. And also, after seeing some reviews and threads as far as the install goes, I really didn't want to have to take all this apart and start messing with the clips on the linkages, and I didn't really want to go through all that when I can get something like this, which I think was $95 with the custom engraving shipped to my door. So this is the route I went. Let me know what you guys think. I will post up some pictures, and hopefully you guys like this video. Feel free to drop any comments or questions below, and stay tuned for more Bronco content.